Hey guys, wanna make your video sound super professional? Let me show you how to easily add a voiceover to your video in Canva. No fancy software needed, just follow these quick steps and you will be adding your voice to your projects in minutes. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to add a voiceover to video using canva.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So firstly, after getting started and after doing anything, let's know what is Canva. If it's your first time that you see this website or you join our video, because I already talked about Canva and how you can create a various text and several things in Canva. But if it's your first time, I will guide you to how to work with Canva also. And first, let's know what is Canva. So Canva is a free, easy to use online tool that lets you create beautiful designs like social media posts, presentations, videos, and more. You don't need any design skills required. Just drag and drop elements to make your projects look professional. So right now, all you have to do is just come back to the top right and you will find two buttons, one of signing up and one of log in. I don't have it here because I already have an account. We'll just click over home page and you'll find other page. So it's very easy to sign up with Canva. You have just to add your email address and your password, then you get started with Canva. You can also click over apply now and you will find other page, which is this one after, of course, adding and linking your email address and your password. All right, so firstly, here we have this page. As you can see, we can just see here that thing that provide this website, which is document, whiteboard, presentation. You have social media as well, video, website, custom size, upload, and we have more things. You can just click over here to see more thing, or you can just search for the thing or the specific one you want. You have just to select, for example, for one of YouTube shorts and various things, or you can just click over create a design here in the top left and you select the one you want, or you can just see here the options that we have. And also we have here some examples about each one. For example, presentations, if you want logos, animated social media, and you can just click over seal to see it. Alright, so right now I will just click over video because in this video I will just add a voiceover. So of course we need a voiceover, or you can just choose other template without video and you show your voiceover. Alright, so I will select a video because it's better to choose it. Alright, so here we have this page of design the template. As you can see right now in the top we have here edit timing. You can just more if you want to put it more, and let's choose it, for example, 15 seconds or 10 seconds, like that, as you can see. So right now I will just add this one and I choose here 10 seconds, as you can see, and I will select also the background that you want. If you don't like this background, you can also upload your background by clicking over uploads, and you start uploading your background by clicking over upload files and you upload the image that you want. We have here also videos and audio, and I will show you how you can start record yourself by clicking over here. So right now let's choose the first template that you want. For example, I will select here video birthday because it's my birthday of my friend, and I will just search for a birthday with my voiceover. Then I will create it and design it. Then I will share it with my friends. Also, I will share it with you to know how you can do that, and I will share it with other friends if it comes his birthday. I will put it as a special design for me because I will add my voiceover. Right now, let's just choose in one of this. For example, I will select here one birthday here. I will select this one. I think it's better. We have also here 10 seconds, as you can see. I will just here put it and the 10 seconds, right? We'll choose here this one. You have 18, put here 10 seconds. And here we have 10 seconds. As you can see, I will click over done right now, and here we have 10 seconds with also the timing that I chose, which is 10 seconds. Also, you can here select the color that you want. I like this one because I will sorry, so I will keep it like that. And right now I will just go to the text and I will modify this one. If I don't like it, I will just click over here and you will have to delete it and to add a heading with the characteristics that you want. If you want the text color, bold, italic, and also alignment. And also we have a transparency and other thing also. For example, about this one, if you want to put it with the size that you want and the design that you want, we have just to double click and you'll find here crop and expand, smart crop. And you have just also, if you want to rotate it, you have to make it like that. As you can see, this is the rotated we choose. So for example, I will let it like that, and here we have it right now. And right now I will show you how you can add a voiceover. I will just click over uploads and I will click over record yourself, and then you will find this page. So let's just start it. You have to choose firstly if you want a camera or not. I will just use it without camera. Then about default I will use your microphone. This one I think it's better. They will start right now. So 3, 2, 1, and I will say happy birthday to my friends. I hope everything's doing well, and I hope your life is doing good, and I wish you all good in your life. And that's it. And right now I will just click over here in the top right, save and exit, or you can just exit the studio without saving if you don't like it. Of course you can delete it if you don't like it, and you make another one if you want. Right now I will just click over save and exit, and we have it in the audio, where it thinks I would here to choose audio. So I will delete all this one, right? I will delete this one firstly, and also I will delete this one because I don't like it, or because we have it here in the video, because and me I want to audio as you want, as you can see, sorry. So let's give it another try, and let's click in first about audio. Don't make the same mistake that I did. I will just click over record yourself, and you'll find this page. As you can see, I will select firstly here if I want here this one, or I want no camera like that, and I will just click over record and I will start right now. So happy birthday to my friend. I wish you good in your life, and you have to be always happy, and thank you so much for you. And right now I will just click over done, and I will click over save and exit as I did, and here we have it. It's up here right now, and here we have it right now. Here I will just here customize the size, and I'll put it in the top right now. All right, right now I will delete one of this. All right, I will select this one. I will put it here as you can see. All right, here we have it right now, and here we have our audio right now. All right, and here we have it right now how it looks. Also we have the other option, which is applications, and also we have it audio. I will just click over application if you don't have audio here, and right now we'll just scroll down and you will find here more from Canva. For example, I will select here audio, and right now I will just search for the niche that I want. If it's music, happy, or Christmas, and I will choose me happy birthday. We have here this audio. I will just add it if I want, and I will delete this one because I don't like it, and I will just use here this one, for example happy birthday like that, and I will choose this one as you can see, and the rest is getting started right now, and we have it right now. I will just click over here to see how it looks,
Happy
and here as you can see we have it how it
birthday!
looks right now, and you have just to share it by clicking over in the top right, and you copy the link and you click over it also here see all, and you start present like that, and you have just to click over here present, and here we have it how it looks. Right now you have just to share it with your friends, or you can just make it public if you want. Alright, so this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.